Here we have the settings to actually do your setups and to actually weld. To weld, the machine has to be on work and on weld. If it's not on work and weld, it will not work. The scenarios that you can have are set, which as we discussed before about setting up your controls or your parameters. And then here you can actually place it on to adjust, and what it will do, it will actually go through the welding process but not actually weld. So the gun will close, it will roll, but it will not actually weld. There will be no power coming out of the transformer to the guns. But to do so, you actually have to put it back onto work. Okay, so now if you want to make any adjustments again, as I said, to the schedule numbers and have them set up differently, go to set, and then as I said previously, you can go to schedule number 2, make your adjustments through here, and have it set up for different material. To save it, all you have to do is just go to another schedule number. It will save on there automatically. So say for example, if I turn off now, just let it discharge for a few seconds, turn it back on. It's still at set. I'll go to schedule number 2, scroll down, 5.8. Schedule number 1 is still 5.2. Okay, this is just a demonstration of how to record the memory back up. What we'll do, we'll turn it on. Currently, it should be on set. Place it down to 0.1. Back to work. Now that's parameter number 1. We're ready to weld with this material. Okay, to make any programming, you've got different schedule numbers here. There's 1 to 9, so you can have 9 set up for different types of jobs. To actually change that, what we do, we'll go to set, place it on set, press up to go to number 2. Now from here, number 2, number 1 pre-pressing time is at 16. And then welding current is at only 15 kVA, time is only at 14, off time is only at 12. So what we'll do now, we'll set this one up for 0.9 plus 0.9. According to the previous schedule number 1, pre-pressing time will place to about 20, I'll pop it up to 70, I think it was 70 on the previous one. It really depends on how long you want it to actually stay on hold before it starts welding. Welding current, we had it at your weld time, we had it placed at 20. Most of these are going to be common with each other. Like for example, your off time, you want that down to 0 because that's going to be pulsing. When you have it pulsing, you only get holes where water can leak. Control pulse. Okay. We have these set at the same rate. So that way if there is a pulse, it will still pulse at the same amount that you've got it set at. Oh, and I'll put that down to 0, sorry, my bad. Okay, so now that is set for parameter number 2. I can go back to parameter number 1, which is set up for number 1. And I have made a mistake. Okay, number 2, I really should have this a lot lower.